Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can organize your direct messages into 3 folders, I think: primary, general, and requests. So your account needs to be like the professional account, or else this won't work. So there's going to be three dots up here in your direct messages, and you can select chats or tools. So if you selected, for instance, I want to move this one and this one to general, it's going to give me these options. I can choose general, and I can also select more. I can mark it as in red and flag it or even mute it. So I'm just going to move it to general, and as you can see, it's going to be in general. I can also move it back if I'd like to. And there's also tools, save reply, frequently asked questions, etc., and that's for like answering because your account is more for like professional account. Maybe like you're an influencer or you run a store on Instagram, you can use that. But that's pretty much how you can organize your messages into these folders. I'm not sure, I don't know if you can move it to requests, but that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.